Welcome back to the Christmas Light Academy. I got a special video for you guys today. This one has nothing to do with employee onboarding, but it does have everything to do with how to create a Christmas light mock-up video. All right, guys, we are in 2026 and the game with AI is changing. As we all know, everyone's been making Christmas light mock-up pictures for years, right? It started with like Jolly Lights. Holiday Home Concepts came out with their software, which was probably one of the best at the time. And then ChatGPT's image generator dropped in 2024, maybe 2025, but then that dropped. ChatGPT's image generator was pretty garbage, but it was crazy for the time and era when that dropped. When it first came out, like it was adding lights to different areas, it added lights to windows, like it had no idea. But that AI has been training for years now. ChatGPT's image generator now is so fire. That thing is so good. Like you can prompt it to exactly what you want. It's wild. I think it has completely wiped out every other software out there for Christmas light mockups. Obviously, if you know how to use it and how to prompt it. And the crazy thing is like prompting it isn't even like as specific as it used to be, right? You used to have to prompt it to be so specific. And now it's like you could literally put in a basic picture, say, hey, I want to add classic warm white lights to the roof lines of this home. Don't add anything else. Make it a sunset setting, and boom. There you go. Like your mock-up is good to go. Now I would recommend you jump on the paid plan, which is like $20 a month. That's where you're going to get the best results. But in this video, I want to tell you how to take that mock-up picture and turn it into a 8-second customer video for really cheap. Doesn't take that long. So imagine your competition is sending out an old Jolly Lights mock-up picture, or they're just drawing like a line of lights on the house. And then you, the business owner, come in and send them a beautiful Christmas light mock-up picture plus the 8-second video that I'm about to show you. Your customers are going to be blown away. Mine are already saying, wow, that video was crazy. And I'm sending this to all of them, and it doesn't take long at all. All right, so let me show you exactly what the heck I'm doing, how to make these videos, and how I'm going to also tell you how much it costs. So the very first thing is you're going to want to have a mock-up image already made. All right, so this is our mock-up image. We have warm white roof lines. We have a wreath and bow we're doing above the front door. We have 2 wreaths and bows on the windows. We have garland on the rails with 4 bows. And we also have mini lights wrapping the columns. All right, this is one of our previous customers. They bought a new house. They want a new design. So here we are. We made the picture with ChatGPT. This probably took 4 prompts or 4 tries to get it exactly how we wanted it. And then now that we have our picture, you're going to save it. And this is where it gets crazy. All right, so this is called Google Flow. Now, Google Flow is a video generator. All right, I use this to make comedy skits with my mascot, and now I'm using it to make mock-up videos of our Christmas light displays to basically just stand out against the competition and close more deals at a higher ticket price, because we're selling the value of professionalism before they ever get to know us. All right, this is exactly how you do it. So once you have your image, you're going to upload it into Google Flow. You're going to upload it down here. You're going to add your prompt. Let me go ahead and read this prompt out to you real quick. The prompting does actually matter, because you need to tell it what the video is that you want. Now, this is just a prompt that I like to use that we copy and paste. I'm actually going to drop this exact prompt for you to copy and paste down in the comments. You don't need to give me no email. You don't need to give me nothing. This is a freebie for you guys to use, so you can start standing out against your competition this year. All right, that's down in the description below. Copy and paste it, give it a shot. Don't need anything from you guys. I just appreciate you watching the video. Create a realistic cinematic drone video from this Christmas light mock-up image that focuses entirely on showcasing the holiday lighting display. Begin with a wide aerial drone shot at dusk, slowly flying towards the home, highlighting the warm white C9 roof lines, illuminated wreaths, garland, and overall Christmas lighting design. The camera should move smoothly and naturally, gradually approaching the front steps before finishing with a slow push towards the front door. Do not include any people, vehicles, or movement around the property. The goal is to showcase the beauty of the Christmas light installation in a warm, nostalgic, and professional way. Add a soft, nostalgic Christmas music with gentle piano bells, orchestral strings to create a magical holiday atmosphere. The overall style should feel like a premium Christmas lighting commercial that evokes memories of Christmas past while keeping the display at the main focus. Think about where we are today. The fact that we have the ability to do this is absolutely nuts, right? For one, the image generator alone has blown my mind. But now that you can prompt and make these images into 8-second videos, and here's the big key factor of all of this is that an 8-second clip, you can send that in a text message. No problem. You're going to have no problems getting that video to send. Send the video, send the mock-up, and just watch how you blow your customers out of the water, because they're just going to be like, that is so beautiful. I have to do it now. I can't imagine, like for me, I'm trying to create this nostalgic Christmas vibe that when they watch this video, they are already, I'm painting the visual of them coming home to their house decorated for the holidays. If you look at it and weigh it out, it's like, well, either I do it or I don't do it. And I know this is exactly how I want to come home to the holidays. I want to see my house decorated. I love the Christmas music. You're creating this emotion when you send these videos, and I can tell you right now, Google Flow is actually $99 a month. You only need this in October and November. I mean, maybe December if you really are still pushing in December, but October, November, 200 bucks, and you can make tons of videos. Now, I do not know like what cap rate is on how many videos you can make. Maybe I'll dive into that later, but as of now, I know it works. And maybe you don't do it for every single customer, even if you do it for half of them. Now, I know you probably have questions. Well, like, how long did it take to prompt that video for it to generate? That video only took like a minute or 2 minutes to make. And if you're on the pro plan, it's way faster. It starts making the video right away. All right, so you could do a free trial. Like even this one, I'm on the free trial right now. I'm not paying the $99 a month until we're really pumping out estimates in October and November. So I have like 3 different Google accounts. Literally, I could get 9 videos a day right now just with my free trials. It's not even like a free trial. It's just like if you have an account, they give you 2 or 3 videos a day every single day. So this is called Google Flow. I highly recommend it. If you guys come up with your own prompts and you have things that are working, drop them in the comments. I want to see like what other people do and like what other people's creativity comes about all this. I know a lot of people aren't doing this yet, and I know there's companies out there who are trying to charge you to make these videos, and there's no reason. Like you can literally do this yourself. You already made the mock-up, throw it in Google Flow, copy and paste the prompt, and you're good to go. Hopefully this video helped you guys. If you're gonna use it, drop it in the comments. Say, I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna try it. Like, let me know. I wanna know who's gonna actually try this and give it a shot. Let's go have a great Christmas light season, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it helps.